Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Prizepicks deposit. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to your browser, and then on the search bar simply type in prizepicks.com. and once you do that, here in order to fix your deposit, what you need to do is you'll be asked to confirm your email address on Prizepicks. You'll be getting a notification something like this on the screen, and once you do that, here right beside it you'll find the option that says recent link right here. Simply tap on it and then follow the on-screen instructions to get it verified. And the next way or the next reason may be if you're not verified properly. So what you need to do is you'll need one of those, if your government issued ID, or you'll need these two things, that is your government issued ID and your smartphone. So all you gotta do is tap on get started to get your account verified as well. And then the next way is you can simply tap on the top right corner of the screen, and then you'll find the option that says live support. Simply tap on that, and then you can ask the agent for the ways to fix your verification. They will provide you detailed instructions on how to do it, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.